guys, welcome back to the Foodie Asyraf YouTube channel. So today we're making a very easy homemade ice cream using only 4 ingredients. Let's get started. So the ingredients we will need are condensed milk, whipping cream, strawberries, and chocolate chips, which are optional. So we'll start off by measuring our strawberries. Let's get everything off the table. So we'll want 225 grams of strawberries. Let's just, and reset it. So we'll just put it to 225. Almost there. $2.26. That's good enough. So we got our strawberries. Let's put this away. So we'll take all of them and cut off the leaves.
A few moments later.
So now that we have cut all our leaves off of the strawberries, we'll get one. We'll slice it off so we have decorations and we can put them on top. Just thin slices of strawberries. Okay, we'll put this to the side. We'll use this later. So, Editor Asyraf here. Make sure to chop all your strawberries except the one that you sliced, because Asyraf will have a little bit of trouble in the mashing process. So back to you, Asyraf. Okay, so next step is to get another bowl. We'll put all our strawberries inside. So we'll put our scale to the side because we'll need it for our condensed milk. So we'll just put it here, take away the tape. So I'll use a potato masher to mash the strawberries.
Lots of mashing later.
We'll get our mixing bowl. Let's get our whipped cream. So we'll need 1 cup of whipping cream. Put this to the side. So let's get our condensed milk. We'll get our scale again. So we'll need 150 grams of condensed milk. So we'll open up our can. We'll use this to pry it open. There we go. We'll put 150 grams. There we go, that's good. So we'll mix back our condensed milk in the whipping cream. We'll use a spoon to scoop it off. we won't be needing this anymore. Let's put this to the side. Let's put this in here. Okay. So we'll be using this mixing accessory to mix. We'll put it on. Okay. So we'll mix for high speed for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
So we'll check again if it's stiff peak. Beautiful stiff peak. We won't be needing this anymore. Spatula. Get this out. So we'll need our mashed strawberries. We don't want to overmix it, so we just fold it over. Beautiful, the red color is coming out. So while we're folding these in, I'm going to be using chocolate chips inside. Make sure to add sliced strawberries so you have more texture. So we also have chocolate chips. We should also add chocolate chips, but it's optional. You can just how much you want. It really matters on you. Remember, don't use all your sliced strawberries because they're going to be on top for decoration. So, yeah. Just fold until fully mixed. Don't mix like normal, but fold it. Okay, I think that should be good enough. We'll get our bowl. Just place it in. Remember to get all the leftovers. So you can flatten it just so you get a flat top. You see those chocolate chips with the texture? And then we can put our strawberries on top. Just put it on top just for decoration, you know? Just maybe. So we'll put it in the fridge, wait a few hours, and I'll come back with you guys for the review.
24 hours later.
So guys, it's the next day here, and when I put it in the freezer, I think I put it for too long. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit for the ice cream to be room temperature. But while you guys are waiting, make sure to subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on a video. So let's wait a few minutes and I'll get back to you guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, it's been a few minutes. So if you guys know me, I tend to go overboard. So for today's review, I brought ice cream cones for our ice cream review. So let's get our scoop. Okay, let's scoop it out. Ooh, it's not soft enough. You can wait until it's softer.
Yeah.
Let's get more. Ooh, just by looking at it, I see the chocolate chips. I think it will add lots of texture. Beautiful. Some parts of it is a little bit softer than others. So we'll see how it tastes after this. Let's put this on a plate. let's clean up a little bit. So guys, let's get our ice cream. Ooh, it's starting to melt. So again, I went overboard with the sprinkles also. So remember, sprinkles and chocolate chips are optional. You don't have to. But I think they will add a lot of texture and it will feel like you're in a big ice cream palace, but you're just at home, bored at home, quarantine. Let's observe the texture. So you can see from this, the chocolate chips have like texture. The strawberries, some of the strawberries I haven't actually mushed fully, is also there. Some of the sprinkles I put is also there. So it just gives so much more texture, but remember, it's optional. So let's have a taste. Let's indulge it. Mmm! Amazing! Amazing. So if you wait enough, it will get pretty soft that it doesn't hurt your teeth to bite in. The chocolate chips and the sprinkles just give so much texture. I love it. And to be in summer, can't go out of my house. This is a great way to spend summer. To enjoy summer with the refreshing strawberry ice cream is amazing. And I have the waffle cone. I haven't even tried the combination of strawberry ice cream with the waffle cone. So let me have a little bite into the cone. Amazing. Honestly, if you have cones at home, they're absolutely amazing. The combination of it, I think you can also do different flavors, and then for chocolate you can add chocolate powder. For vanilla you can use vanilla extract, and I think you'll get pretty good similar taste. Honestly, it's Asyraf approved. Honestly, 5 stars, over the top. Who doesn't have a few minutes? Instead of sleeping, you can make an ice cream, and then in the afternoon you can enjoy it by yourself outside in your backyard. Why not? My final verdict, it's 5 stars, only a few minutes to make it. Yes, I get it, a few hours to wait, but hey, you could sleep in that time. So guys, thank you for watching. This was a very quick and easy process. It only had 3 ingredients: strawberries, whipping cream, and condensed milk. And only 5 steps: mash, mix, fold, freeze. Last step, enjoy! And as always, make sure to subscribe right there. See my latest video right there. This is Asyraf, signing out. Peace!